14 reasons why parsnips are better than other root vegetables. Parsnips nutrition and uses. Parsnips, often overshadowed by their more popular cousin, the carrot, are a root vegetable that deserves a place in your diet. With their sweet, nutty flavor and versatility in cooking, parsnips not only add depth to your meals, but also offer a wide range of health benefits. Let's explore why this humble vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Parsnips' mood-improving properties play a crucial role in combating stress and reducing various anxiety symptoms, including unease, agitation, and cold extremities. The vegetable's soothing and stabilizing effects also help elevate mood and foster feelings of optimism and happiness. Number 2. Cancer risk reduction. While not a definitive cure, numerous studies indicate that the vitamin K found in parsnip plays a significant role in managing both benign and malignant tumors, particularly in prostate, colon, stomach, nasal, and oral cancers. The high concentration of quinones effectively combats cancer cells in the colon, breast, and liver, and may even aid in addressing heart cancer. Number 3. Improved bone health. This herb is crucial for enhancing bone health and alleviating joint pain and inflammation. It promotes dental and bone wellness, decreases fracture risk, maintains overall body equilibrium, and contributes to a robust skeletal structure. Additionally, it increases bone and muscle mass, addressing conditions such as osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, and fibromyalgia. The presence of minerals including manganese, calcium, zinc, copper, and magnesium also aids in reducing spinal bone loss in women after menopause. Number 4. Combats iron deficiency. Parsnips, rich in iron, vitamin C, and B9, can help ward off anemia when consumed as part of a balanced diet. These nutrients are crucial for addressing various symptoms associated with iron deficiency, including overall tiredness, muscle weakness, and skin pallor. Additionally, they can alleviate other common signs, such as lightheadedness, lack of energy, breathlessness, disorientation, edema, and migraines. Number 5. Supports weight management. The high antioxidant content in parsnips aids the body in shedding excess weight more efficiently. Due to its fiber content and anti-obesity properties, regular consumption of this root vegetable helps satisfy sudden food cravings and prevents overeating, making it a valuable addition to a weight loss plan. Additionally, parsnip enhances metabolism and assists the body in maintaining a healthy weight. Number 6. Abundant in antioxidants. Parsnips are not only packed with various nutrients, but also serve as a substantial source of antioxidants. These beneficial compounds combat damaging free radicals in the body, which are known to contribute to numerous health issues. Free radicals can lead to oxidative stress, which is associated with various acute and chronic pathological processes affecting the respiratory, cardiovascular, renal, and biliary systems. Additionally, it may play a role in the development of neurodegenerative diseases and cancer. Parsnips provide significant amounts of vitamins C and E, which enhance immune function. Furthermore, they contain furanocoumarins, flavonoids, and polyacetylenes, which have been associated with anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antimicrobial, and antidepressant effects. Number 7. Promotes digestive wellness. Parsnips contain significant amounts of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which are essential for maintaining regular digestion and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. The soluble fiber in parsnips serves as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria in the gut and improving the overall intestinal environment. It also helps draw water into the digestive system, promoting smoother bowel movements. On the other hand, insoluble fiber helps increase the bulk of stools. A single cup of raw, sliced parsnips provides 6.5 grams of fiber, which is a substantial portion of the recommended daily fiber intake. Studies indicate that consuming more dietary fiber is associated with a healthy gut microbiome, leading to decreased levels of C-reactive proteins. Reduced levels of this inflammatory marker suggest a lower risk of chronic inflammatory conditions, including inflammatory bowel disease and cardiovascular disease. Number 8. Enhances immune system. Parsnips can boost the body's defense mechanisms due to their high vitamin C content. This essential micronutrient and powerful antioxidant aids immune defense by contributing to various cellular processes. A single cup of raw, sliced parsnips provides 22.6 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 25% of the recommended daily value. Additionally, parsnips contain abundant flavonoids, including quercetin and camphorol. These phenolic compounds offer benefits, such as reducing inflammation, fighting cancer, neutralizing free radicals, and combating viruses. They help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections. Number 9. Aids in weight management. Parsnips can be beneficial for weight control as they are low in calories, but high in fiber. When incorporated into a balanced diet, they may assist with weight loss efforts. A cup of sliced parsnips contains 6.5 grams of fiber and only 100 calories. Individuals aiming to create a calorie deficit for weight loss can include parsnips in their meals to increase feelings of fullness without consuming excessive calories. Number 10. Decreasing brain abnormalities. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, plays a crucial role in minimizing neural tube birth defects in babies, supporting proper brain function, and enhancing mental and emotional well-being. The inclusion of parsnips, a rich source of folate, in one's regular diet has been associated with reduced depression levels. Additionally, folate aids in cell and tissue growth and replication during important developmental stages, such as pregnancy, infancy, childhood, and adolescence. Number 11. Potential benefits for dental health. The vitamin C and folate content in parsnips may contribute to better overall oral health by helping prevent gum disease, tongue inflammation, toothache, and halitosis. These nutrients can potentially support healthy connective tissue and gums while promoting strong teeth. Number 12. Supporting enzyme production. Parsnips contain manganese, an essential component in many bodily enzymes. Consequently, they assist in the production of enzymes that support digestive health, antioxidant functions, wound healing, and various other processes. Number 13. Improving eyesight. According to research published in scientific reports, ascorbic acid, a compound present in parsnips, is known to help prevent various ocular problems, including age-related macular degeneration, which causes vision impairment in elderly individuals. The vegetable's antioxidants may also shield the eyes from sun-induced damage. It appears to be an effective food for promoting eye health and visual acuity. Number 14. Possible cardiovascular advantages. Parsnips are rich in potassium, which may function as a vasodilator and help lower blood pressure, reducing strain on the heart. The high folate content in this root vegetable can also decrease blood homocysteine levels, which are typically linked to increased risks of cardiac diseases. The fiber in parsnips might also aid in reducing cholesterol levels. Consequently, these root vegetables may contribute to the prevention of atherosclerosis and other coronary conditions. Well, that is all about the health benefits of parsnips. However, here are some frequently asked questions about parsnips. Let's check it out. Number 1. What do parsnips taste like? Parsnips have a sweet, earthy flavor with a slightly nutty undertone. When cooked, their sweetness becomes more pronounced, and they can take on a creamy texture, similar to that of sweet potatoes. Number 2. Can you eat parsnips raw? Yes, parsnips can be eaten raw, but they are more commonly cooked. Raw parsnips have a crisp texture and a mildly sweet flavor, similar to carrots. They can be grated into salads, or sliced thinly, and eaten as a crunchy snack. Number 3. Are parsnips and carrots the same? While parsnips and carrots are related, and have similar appearances, they are not the same. Parsnips are typically larger, with a pale cream color, and have a sweeter, more earthy flavor compared to carrots. Carrots are usually orange, and have a crisper texture, and slightly less sweet flavor. Number 4. Can parsnips be substituted for carrots in recipes? Yes, parsnips can often be substituted for carrots in recipes, especially in soups, stews, and roasted vegetable dishes. Keep in mind that parsnips are sweeter and may change the flavor profile slightly, so you may need to adjust seasonings accordingly. Number 5. Are parsnips suitable for people with dietary restrictions? Parsnips are gluten-free and suitable for most diets, including vegetarian and vegan. They are also low in calories and fat, making them a good choice for those watching their weight. However, because they are relatively high in natural sugars, people with diabetes, or those on a low-carb diet, should consume them in moderation. Number 6. What are some popular dishes made with parsnips? Popular dishes that feature parsnips include roasted parsnips, parsnip soup, parsnip puree, and parsnip fries. They can also be added to casseroles, mashed with potatoes, or used in gratins for a sweet and savory flavor. Number 7. Can I eat parsnips every day? Root vegetables are considered wholesome, unprocessed foods rich in various nutrients. Incorporating a diverse selection of these vegetables into your diet can be beneficial for your well-being. According to Fung, if you're in good health, it's generally acceptable to eat 1 portion of root vegetables per day. Number 8. What are the potential negative effects of eating parsnips? Some individuals trying parsnips for the first time might experience allergic reactions. These can include skin irritation, intestinal discomfort, such as bloating and gas, abdominal pain, and symptoms associated with food allergies. These symptoms may involve a burning or itching sensation, swelling of the lips and tongue, eye redness, and difficulty breathing. Number 9. Are parsnips high in sugar? While a 100-gram portion of parsnips contains 4.8 grams of sugar, which is somewhat elevated, the overall nutritional composition of parsnips may actually help lower the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.